Road overbridge, which is situated at the Burma Camp Junction police point, and in front of me the Kher Mahal Road and the Golaghat Road on my right. Now we can see that this board is there. Weak bridge, cautioning the public regarding how weak the bridge is. Now, rehabilitation works has begun on this bridge, whereas traffic was also shut earlier this year as well to find out alternate route, especially for heavy vehicles. Now, the government sources has informed that till now the NHIDCL had not given them the alternate route, the most viable alternate route, which is the bypass route from the CRPF center via Khushabil and then to Chumukadima, the 4-lane bypass route, which would be the best route for heavy vehicles. And they had not given the clearance to the government of Nagaland. But in a letter dated June 26th, that is of this year, they said that by October that the works will be done on the bypass route, and then the government had also on multiple occasions asked them to finish the route as soon as possible so that heavy motor vehicles can pass through this bridge. Now, Nagaland News Network recently, just 2 days ago, did a story and visited the spots that where trucks could ply or heavy vehicles could ply, and but then again we have found out that most roads were narrow except only the bypass route. Now in your visuals we will show you also that on the spot verification was done by various departments from the government of Nagaland, and they have also said that the road, the other alternate road, that is the Khatkati police checkpost towards Burma Camp out of Veterinary Colony, it is very narrow, and they have also informed that only 6-wheeler trucks can ply on that route. But the only alternate route is the NHIDCL, which was not being cleared by the NHIDCL to have these trucks ply. And if I can just tell the camera person to pan, we can see that trucks are still plying here, heavy vehicles. And on your visuals also we will show you right now that many heavy vehicles are plying, and this bridge is not safe for the public. Now, just yesterday, that is the 18th of September, the Works and Housing Department, regardless of whether the NHIDCL has given the clean chit that the vehicles, the heavy motor vehicles can pass through the bypass, the government of Nagaland is, from the Works and Housing Department, has written to the Deputy Commissioner as well as the Commissioner of Police Dimapur to make sure that rehabilitation of this bridge will commence on or before October 1st. Now, that is only because the official from the Works and Housing Department has said that the NHIDCL, in a letter dated 26 June, had said and assured that by October, the road will be completed, the bypass route will be completed, which is from the Khatkati CRPF center till Chumukadima. The 4-lane bypass route will be completed by October. Hence, they have directed the Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur and the Commissioner of Police to make sure that all arrangements are made for heavy vehicle and heavy loaded vehicles to use the bypass route from October. Now, since the NHIDCL on multiple occasions since last year has appealed and asked the government for extension for completion of the bypass route, we just have to wait till October and see whether they will be completing the bypass route. And now the government is going hard with it and saying that now this bridge is not safe for anybody to travel on until the works are done, the repair works, the rehabilitation and maintenance work is done of this road, and that they're going to go and make sure that the route from the Khatkati CRPF center is being utilized by the heavy motor vehicles especially. Now, this is a developing story. Nagaland News Network will be updating on this issue, especially from the month of October. Esther here with camera person Moa for Nagaland News Network.